Bok Choy, Pak Choy, Pechai, whatever it's called, you know what I mean. We're going to be making some, I'm going to call it Bok Choy. Bok Choy with chicken, oyster sauce, some other little spices. Absolutely delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get started on this. Here I've got my Bok Choy, Pak Choy, or even Pechai, as they say in the Philippines. There are many different types of this stuff, many variants. Some of it's got very thick white stalks, like sort of 4 times thicker than that, but you can use any one that you like. I've got here 1 onion sliced. I've got 1 decent size chicken breast with no skin and no bone. I've cut that into nice slices as well. Tiny little bit of fish sauce, and then equal parts here, maybe 2 tablespoons each of oyster sauce and soy. I'm using a light soy. Fresh garlic and fresh ginger, about 1 tablespoon each, and then 1 bunch of chunky cut spring onions, green onions or scallions. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my wok here, and I've got in there some oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could use some other kind of neutral type oil. We're going to start off by dropping in the garlic and the ginger. And you want that to go just for a little few seconds. Next up, our onion, sliced, and our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin pieces, as you can see. Okay, so we're on a fairly high heat. I've just put this on. We're going to go for 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, looking absolutely wonderful. The chicken will cook really quickly because it's cut so thin. We're now going to get our bok choy, which I've roughly cut it into 3 pieces. So bok choy, pak choy or pechai, whatever you call it. Let's get this in. Another 4 minutes. It will wilt down like a spinach, you know. Keep it moving. We're nearly there. So easy. So we're only like 2 or 3 minutes away from this being done. And as you can see, the bok choy has really reduced down in size. We're going to now add this little bit of fish sauce, a couple of teaspoons only. The light soy, a couple of tablespoons. The oyster sauce, same amount, a couple of tablespoons. We're going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding any salt to this because the fish sauce is very salty, and also the soy. So for me, no need to add any extra salt. Little touch of water. And then one final thing, we're going to grab our 1 bunch of green onions, chunky cut them smaller if you want. 1 minute, see you at the table, job done. Could not be easier. That is really delicious. Nice steamed, sticky, white rice is nice with that. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.